Hi friends, thank you for watching this video where we are going to make 3 toys. Today I'm going to show you just the building blocks of how to make a 3D toy. We are starting with cubes and cuboids. So I have given the pattern. All you have to do is to cut it. After cutting, you'll have something like this. So one pattern is all squares, which forms a cube. This is a rectangular form. You have to cut one piece of this, and I have given this which has 2 in one page, so you have to print 2 and cut. So basically we need 4 of this. So I've already cut it and I have done the scoring. Scoring means you just make a line with a finished ballpoint pen or a scoring pen like this. Use a ruler, and wherever you have the lines, you just do a scoring line on that. Scoring is done to make a fold line so that it becomes easier to fold. So we'll start with the first part. Let me keep all others aside. So we need to fold it on the fold lines, and this is how we do. Folding is a bit tricky if you have not made a score lines. So if you have not made a score lines, make sure you fold on the lines that I have given on the file mailed to you. So if you see this, I'm just folding everything downward. There will be some patterns in future in which you have to fold upwards. This is called mountain fold. So now if you see this, you can see that this is going to form a cube. So once we paste it, this will form a cube. So we are done with this. We'll paste it. So let us keep it aside. Now let us take one of the rectangular ones that we made. Let us fold this. Now I would suggest that you should take a cardboard paper, a cardstock, or even a drawing book paper, or in some countries people call it chart paper. So even a chart paper would be fine. The idea is if the paper is too flimsy or too thin, you won't be able to come out with a good form. A normal paper also can work if you don't have any thick paper, but my recommendation would be a little bit thicker paper than the usual paper that you use in a print. So this is just to show you how to go about this and make a rectangular box. Now what we are going to do is we're going to create a figure which will have hands, legs, and body by combining these boxes. So we'll see how we'll go about it. So I'll fold one more of this to show. So these are going to be the hands and legs. I've used a blank sheet here, so it is totally up to your imagination and creativity what you want to draw or convert this into a form. So this forms is going to be our hands and legs. So I'll show you how. So I'm going to stick. Sticking is tricky in terms of don't put glue on all the sides. Try to stick a couple of things together. It makes things easier. So I would put glue on, say, this two side to start with. The more precision you keep, the better your product looks. So I would stick something like this. Allow it to dry it a little bit. Then I will put glue on these three sides. You should put it on a table or a hard surface to apply glue. Stick it for some time. Press it a little bit so that it stays in shape. Now I will apply glue on the other remaining sides. Now this is the most tricky part. So be sure you're pressing with your fingers, but very delicately. So don't push too hard that this box breaks. Keep it for say 30 seconds and it will be good too. So this is how we are going to assemble all other boxes.